Hey guys, I am on to give you a hack. I was having trouble with my diamond painting where it's not sticky. Certain spots are sticky and certain spots are not. So I went on live on TikTok and went on one of my friends live, and she told me to use a hairdryer. So we are going to see if it works. She said to put on medium heat and just put it over where it's not sticky and do it for a few seconds, not too long. Don't burn your canvas or anything like that. This is a cheap hairdryer. It's only $10 hairdryer, so I'm not going to do it too long. So let's go. Alright guys, let's see. I was working on this number, so let's see if we can get it to work. I forgot what pen I was using. We used this one, so I was using the question mark. And let's see if it works. If you guys go on TikTok, she does lives every day. Her name is Diamond Painting with April. She's a sweetheart. I was having a bad night. Nothing was working. My putty wasn't working. My glue dots wasn't working. My canvas wasn't sticking. Nothing. And I asked her what I could do, and she gave me, and she said, try the hairdryer. So I try the hairdryer right now. So, and it seems like it's working. My drills are staying because they just wouldn't stay. They were coming up with the pen because the stickiness of the glue dots were a lot stronger than what was on the painting, because this is a poured canvas and you can remount glue. Because before I was using like crafty glue when I had problems like that, but you gotta make sure you put your drills on right, because if not, that's where they stay. Once that glue dries, that's where your drills stay. So when I asked her, she said try the hairdryer. She said put it on medium heat, put it over where it's not sticky, and she said do it for a few seconds. Don't burn your canvas, don't burn your drills. So that's what we just did, guys, and it seems like it's working so far. So I am happy because I am over this canvas. It's my Halloween canvas. It's almost done. I just got this little section here and this little section here. And for you newcomers, this is what I'm working on. This is the name of the company and the size. So I want to get this over by this weekend because I'm ready to work on a different size canvas. I am working on a couple of small ones so I don't overwhelm myself, because this is my first canvas that I ever worked on that was the biggest, and I'm just done. I like doing big canvases, but I'm just starting to get bored with that. So, and I don't want to do that because I love diamond painting. It relaxes me, it helps my anxiety. So if you guys know any other hacks, let me know. Especially when it comes to there's no stickiness for your drills to stick onto. Leave a comment down below. I would very much appreciate it. Whoops, that one went flying. I'm not going after it. I would love to hear from you guys if you know a different way. But I thought I'd come on, especially if you're a new beginner in diamond painting. I thought I would let you know this wasn't my idea. This was from Diamond with April. She's the one that this was her idea. So I am passing it on and letting you know I am giving credit to her about this. And I am happy this is working. As you can hear, the more it cools down, the more it is starting to be more stickier. So I am pleased because I want to make sure I get this done by this weekend. So, and another thing is I do have a TikTok channel. I am doing starting lives on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and Sundays. I will mostly be on the afternoons from maybe 12 to 4. If you guys want to come over, it's free to join my live. Because I am doing live so I can interact with all my new followers and all my regular followers. I like to get to know you. The reason why I am doing a live is because I want to become friends. That's why I'm doing social media, to meet new friends who like diamond paint, who likes to do paper crafting, and just like to have fun. So if you want to come on my live, you're more than welcome. You guys will be able to hear me. I don't have to text, but you guys will have to text me and ask me questions if you have any questions, or if not, you can just sit there and diamond paint with me, because it feels like you're diamond painting with someone, except we're doing it through a video. Even though we're not next to each other, at least you're not alone diamond painting, you know what I mean? And we have a good time, you know? We just, you know, just chit chat, and people just ask questions. If not, we just sit there and diamond paint. And if the video is going well, I stay on. If it starts slowing down and I have nobody in my live, I shut it down. So it's a hit in the sky. So you're more than welcome to come over on TikTok and join my live. If not, keep checking my videos on TikTok and keep checking my videos on YouTube. I just want to say thank you to all my new followers. I want to say thank you to all my regular followers. I appreciate all the support that you guys have been doing. Just please like, share, comment, watch my videos to the end. It helps everyone out. It helps you, it helps me, and that'll be it. So on that note, I will let you guys go. You guys have a wonderful Thursday. I know this is a quick video, but I just wanted to show you this hack so it will help any new diamond painters out there. If you have any kind of problems like this, this is what you can try. And if anybody else has any other tricks up their sleeves on doing something like that, let me know. Alright guys, happy crafting and have a great day. Bye bye.